When it comes to tips and tricks for prompt engineering with context enhancement techniques, I always like to say that domain knowledge injection is like giving the AI insider information. Something like, "Psst, kid, CPT codes are always 5 digits. And it understands that. So now when you feed it values that maybe your CPT code is 212, it will know to either append or suffix the data with zeros, right? However your data format needs, give it the tips and tricks on how to proceed there. Few shot examples, right? So this shows the AI what good work really looks like. Just like those expectation versus reality memes, this is what we're talking about here. Give the AI agent a couple of examples of similar documents with correct extractions. When it comes to chain of thought, this is basically like walking your AI through the document like you would a new intern. Pretend that you're onboarding a new hire. Tell the agent what is it that you're looking for and what details do you need out of it. When it comes to document type priming, this really sets the stage. Like telling the AI agent, you're about to read a telecom invoice, not a Shakespeare writing, right? So you want to make sure that you're giving it all the contextual information you can. That way it can do the best job possible.